Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about the Walmart Visa gift card, and more specifically, we're going to show how to register your Walmart Visa gift card. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with the Walmart Visa gift card, it's definitely one of the more popular gift cards, and basically what it is, you just buy this card at a local Walmart. So I bought this one in Orange County, and then once you buy it, it's looks like $4.94 to buy it, and then you can load money onto it one time at the register. It's not like a prepaid debit card where you can keep reloading it. But once you do that, then you can go ahead and give this to someone to use at the store to buy things with at most places that accept Visa debit cards, which is most places these days, but they cannot use it to shop online, by phone, or on any kind of like mail order shopping until they register it. And that's what we're going to go over, is how to register it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the card right now. Alright, so I went ahead and opened up my Walmart Visa gift card, and this is what it looks like. So I guess they probably come in different designs and things like that, but this is the package mine came through. It came through with this little penguin, happy holidays, since it's near the holidays here as I'm recording this video. But what you want to do is go ahead and flip the card over, and then right here on the back, you can see that here's the instructions on how to register your card. You need to go to this website, walmartgift.com. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a direct link to that website, but I've already pulled it up right here. So this is the website, walmartgift.com. And as you can see, the instructions say that you do need to register in order to view past transactions, to report the card lost, stolen, or destroyed, and also to make purchases online. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on this green button called Register Now. I'm going to click there now. All right, I went ahead and click there, and next this screen pops up called Gift Card Access. And the information you're going to need to enter in is the gift card number, the security code, and the expiration date, which is all located on this card. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that information in off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and entered in all of the required information. Next, you want to click this green button right here on the bottom. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up for the registration. It's asking for my full address, and a lot of times when you purchase things online, they'll ask for your billing address or your zip code. So you do need to enter the correct information in order to be able to use this online generally and over the phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter that in off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and entered that in, and next it's asking for me to create a password for a login along with my email address. The email address and password is so that way I can update the address information at a later date. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and chose a password. I also included my email. One thing I want to know is the email, by putting it in there, it looks like they will be contacting me for marketing from this email address, so kind of keep that in mind. So once you've filled that out, go ahead and click continue, this green button right here. I'm going to click there now. All right, next this screen pops up, and this is a confirmation saying registration complete, and then they verify the address that I entered in right here. So now the registration is complete, so I can view the transaction history on this card as it's used from time to time. And then also, if the card is lost or stolen, then I can report it through this website. So that's the easiest way I know how to register a Walmart Visa gift card. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know how. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.